We're about to go through this 2027 full body paint Durango Gold 310. All right, 2027 Durango Gold 310 RLQ. Full body paint, 2 awnings. I'm filming it back here in the service department. Don't forget about them. www.referralautogroup.com. We can service all your trailer needs and outfit your trucks to pull these trailers. Keep that in mind. We're going to start right here at the front door. And I'm probably going to miss some things, but I'll do my best. 4-step aluminum stairs going in. Long extension handle. You got an LP port down there. Exterior shower port right there. And in the pictures, all these doors will be open. Check them all out. Large storage compartment. There's a shelf in there as well that rolls out. Solar controller in there and battery. New modern square windows. They're doing that a lot now, even the door is square. 17.5-inch aluminum wheels. You can kind of get a peek at the coil spring suspension down there. Shocks, ABS brakes. Inside that compartment there's a 32-inch TV as well. Underneath the awning here on the slide. All right, let's go around this way. This thing will hold its shine for years. Nothing better than full body paint. All right, so over here you have your MORryte hitch, pin box, storage down below. Down there is going to be a hydraulic pump for the auto leveling. That compartment there is going to have the storage and the generator prep boxes in there, firebox. Storage just above that as well. There's the MORryte hitch, pin box. And then you have your, you can't see it there, but there's an orange LED light that comes on right there. Come around on this side and give you a wide shot. Again with the square windows, pretty cool looking. In that storage compartment there is your LP tanks. Just above that is going to be your auto leveling monitor, outside panel. There's a good shot of the drawer. Slides out both directions, this way and that way. In the photos I have it slid out. You got your filtration system there. Your shore power cord storage up there, power reel. Even comes with touch-up paints, which is nice, wish they all did that. And you have your water compartment here with your electric valves. Pretty cool. Over this way you have your sewer connection area, furnace, and your on-demand hot water heater, tankless. Like I said, 17.5-inch wheels, coil spring suspension. This thing is prepped for slide toppers as well. It's got the locations for the brackets. If you decide to go that route, talk to us about that here. We can do all that for you. Nice ladder to access the roof. 3 air conditioners on this trailer. Solar. Comes with 200, but I believe Tony upgraded to 4. Towing package. Inside there's a shelf that slides out. Again, that's going to be in the photos as well. LED lights back here. Camera prep. Give you another wide shot this way from the side. Beautiful trailer. All right, so let's go inside. I'm gonna take my shoes off real quick. Pardon my stumbling if I do. All right, and back a little bit. Get a wide shot this way. Again, this way. Nice open floor plan. All right, let's start over here. A lot of storage. The photos will have those doors open. Check it out. Shelves in there as well. 26 square foot fridge. Cubic foot, I'm sorry. Residential style stove and oven. 30-inch microwave. Induction, I believe. Yep. Barn style sink and dishwasher. It's also got an extension to the island there. Gives you a little bit more room to prepare your food. A lot of storage. Over here, you're gonna have a garbage can and a cutting board. Just above it, drop your food in there. Pretty cool. That is actually a storage area back here as well, with some drawers. Fireplace below that. 50-inch TV. Very high ceilings in here. The ceiling fan. Overhead cabinets. That sofa there turns into a bed. Power and massaging, and a light. Actually, there is actually massaging as well. See that right there. You got your dining area over here / desk area. Whatever you decide, this table slides back and forth either direction, so you can have room an L shape or a T, or on the other side another L. This is where you control the awning for the one on the slide here, just outside. Check out the lighting in here. Very modern. Fantastic fan over there. All right, let's go up the hallway. 1, 2, 3 steps going up. Nice modern mirror. Cabinets in the overhead over the sink. Shower with a seat. Porcelain toilet. Fan. Adjustable shower head. Like a texture in the sink, you can see that. Here's the controls for your water heater. All right, into the bedroom. Quick pan around. Do it again over here so you can see. TV was on a second ago. Let's see if I turn it back on for you. Just below the TV is going to be your fireplace, some drawers, and your TV. Tons of room in the closet. It's actually organized shelves in here. A couple spare chairs. You also have your washer and dryer prep here if you would want. King size bed with power tilt back there. Power on both sides for all you sleep lap users. Down there as well. One quick pan around. All right, down the hall. One glance into the bathroom. Here's your control panel. This thing has a 2,000 watt inverter as well. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, but if I did, come see it. We're at 1444 First Street, Escalon. You can also see it at www.referralautogroup.com or call me at 209-404-2200, extension 104. I'd be glad to show it to you. I'd even FaceTime you if you'd like. All right, one more shot from the outside. All right, there you have it. The 2027 Durango Gold full body paint, 310. Come see it, Referral Auto Group.